How to create a study timetable. We can sometimes become a bit overwhelmed if we have a lot of information to cover when preparing for exams. Having a useful, realistic study timetable that works for you can help ease this exam stress, as we know we have a plan to cover as much as we can. Creating a study timetable. Sometimes you can sit down to put together a timetable and find it difficult to know where to start. Here are some tips on getting started. Use a study timetable template. Creating or using a template to form your study plan is a good way to start. Most people find it easier to create a weekly study plan and update it at the end of each week. Create a list of study topics or tasks. Try to put together a list of topics or tasks under each subject you'll need to cover. Breaking each subject out into smaller, more manageable tasks will be useful when you are putting tasks into your timetable template. Filling in your timetable. When it comes to filling out your timetable, here are some things to keep in mind. Add in stuff you enjoy. This could be adding in regular breaks each day, a time to connect with friends, or even deciding the best time to study your favorite subject. You may also prefer to keep your timetable just for your study and exam tasks, and that's okay too. Do what works best for you. Creating time slots. There is a lot of research to suggest that 25 minutes is the average time most people can stay focused and concentrated while studying. It can be a good idea to break up your day into 25-minute slots and decide how long each task you have scheduled for the day might take. Schedule breaks. If your time slots are 25 minutes, taking a 5 minutes break after each slot is a good idea. Make sure to have one longer lunch break in the middle of the day and one 15 to 20-minute break where you feel you may need it most. Focus on tasks, not time. When filling in your timetable, use the list of tasks you divided out from each subject. Instead of putting just English in as a time slot, be specific. Deciding what tasks to do first. It can be helpful to put the more difficult tasks at the start of the day when we tend to have more energy and be more focused. Putting the easier or shorter tasks towards the end of the day when you may feel tired.